Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to heat up a habitat in Planet Zoo. If the temperature drops during winter and some of your animals require a warmer environment to maintain their welfare, you'll need to install a habitat heater. To do this, click the Habitat button at the bottom center of your screen. In the Build menu, go to the Category panel to its left and click on the fan icon for the heaters and coolers. From there, choose the heater and place it inside the affected habitat. As you place it, the game will display a temperature heat map showing the area the heater will cover. Make sure its range doesn't overlap with nearby habitats that don't need additional heat. Also, be sure the heater is within the range of a power transformer, otherwise it won't receive electricity and won't function. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.